Hello, friends. So, we have recently seen how the Franklin Templeton Mutual Fund has suddenly winded up six of its major mutual funds, covering an asset of somewhere around 25,000 crores. So, that closing of the marketplace, if we can say so, where the retail investors, normally high net worth individuals in this case, and the corporate papers that which comes from non-AAA, majorly non-AAA companies meet, and how the exchange happens, and everyone gets a win-win situation, and the requisite liquidity flows uh, in the right direction. That market has been majorly hit in this pandemic environment where people are more redeeming their invested money from such mutual funds which through which the investments are happening in the corporate debts. And now with these redemption pressures from the mutual fund industry and the lack of new cash inflow is creating a liquidity problem for these mutual fund companies. And in fact, the corporate debts are also, there's a high chance of defaulting and delaying, and moratoriums are existing. So that issue is also creating a liquidity problem for mutual fund industry. And in that context, yesterday, in fact, the industry had a talk with the finance ministry and uh, the RBI and all for immediate liquidity support and credit lines so that they can sustain this difficult environment of liquidity crunch and high redemption pressure. Now, from the retail investors' perspective, who is bringing their liquidity out in the normal times, are more conservative and are going towards gilt funds, which is largely government debts, which is safe and long term. So the change of behavior from the retail side, we definitely have seen a lot of jumps and falls in the share market, the exchange BSE and Nifty. And here, this marketplace of mutual fund industry where the corporate debts are served, this has seen a major blow with this sudden winding up of six major mutual funds dealing with the corporate debt bonds uh, under Franklin Templeton Investments Mutual Fund. So now, in fact, yesterday RBI came up with a liquidity package of 50,000 crore, a credit line, to safeguard the interests of the mutual fund industry in these difficult times and to safeguard their liquidity and to allow them to handle the redemption pressures so that they can sustain and definitely later on they can revive. So it is expected that things may get stabilized, but it's a major blow to the industry. Thank you.